Welcome, students. This is the last part of The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, William Allen Griffiths. So, before proceeding the chapter, I would like to show you a video which, through this video, you can correlate the chapter about the chapter's idea and you can easily think about that what the chapter wants to tell you. So let's watch the video. So now you get the theme, now you get the idea. If you goes around, what you goes around, that comes around. If you do good things, if you are kind, then kindness all surely comes to you. The this is the story. This is the story is just about that. The old man awoke and he came to the wicked couple's house and he just saw that they just a miserable old pair sitting on the edge of the square of the fireplace in the middle of the floor and smoking and spinning. He just come to the house and asked them for the ashes and they just allow him, just thought that what the ashes will do is nothing to do with them. So he just thought that ki that courteous people couple jo think about that कि he was thief, so it's easy to ask them to took the permission of them to take the ashes. So he collect the ashes and just do the same as dog told him. He just took his wife to the garden and just throw the pinch of the ashes, sprinkle the pinch of ashes towards the withered tree, and it just, and within a second, within a blink of eye, it just sprouted the blossom, and until it became a cloud of pink bloom which perfumed the air. And this is the wonder. Yes, this is the wonder which everyone want to see. And when it goes to the, this news spread to the village that all want to see the wonder, and that couple also saw that, that wicked couple also saw, heard about that, and they also gathered the whatever the left ashes were there. They also gathered it for do the same. And the they heard that the daimyo is this, that was the time of daimyo. I told you earlier that was the time of daimyo, when the daimyo is treated like a this is the Japanese story, and there were the daimyos who treated like as a god. No one have dared to sit above them, or look at his eyes, or stand in front of him. So just they didn't dare to do those things. So the kind old man just thought that if he do the things with the respect of the daimyo, he just sat on the tree and with the tree and waiting for them coming. He just thought that they will come, and I will just sprinkle the ashes on the tree, and it will be comes to the blossom. It will be blossom, and they just want to welcome them. So the daimyos, the custom is there that every people in the road or the home, they have to come in the kneel down. They have to, this is the when the procession is passed by them, they have to commit that they have to kneel down. So there was a man just who proceeding the this procession. He just ordered everyone and announced that get down and on your knees, get down on your knees. Through this, when he saw that the old when the passing of the procession, he saw the old man sitting on the tree. He was about to call out him, but in an angry tone. But when he saw the old fellow in the such age, he just pretend that he didn't saw him. He don't want to notice him and pass him by. So when the daimyo passed through the tree, the old man just sprinkled the pinch of the ashes on the from the basket to the scattered tree, and what it turns around, it turns from the like a it turns into the blossom. They delighted with this, and they ordered to stop the train and to greet him, or gave him the lots of lots of gifts, lots of rewards, and invite him to the castle. And the old man went gratefully home and shared his joy with his dear old wife. So but there was a greedy couple also, a greedy neighbor. They heard it, and they heard about the magic of the ashes. They just want to do the same thing without any thinking of the result, that it will be turned to the blossom tree or not. They just rush to do the same thing. They just want to copy with the greed and the evil nature. So when the daimyo himself was almost directly under him, he threw the handful ashes through that, and it not turns to the blossom tree. It turns to the the dust was just goes into their eyes and nose, and they just sneezing and choking all around, and they just stop the procession in order to kill the old neighbor. They just his mans called him, put down him with the knees and the by his collar, and dragged over the tree, and just beat him till the death. So this is the result, what they do and what they get. I told you, greed is not always good. If you have a greed of good things, greed of good desires, greed of good intentions, that it's good. But when you have the greed of hurt the people, to jealous with the people, then it's not good. So what you goes around, that comes around. This is the moral of the story. This is the disagree and agreement that I will give you by the assignments also. Just you, this is the greedy dog wanted to please the daimyo to get parents. Yes, I am agree. So what we learn in this chapter? The underscore values such as honesty, compassion, diligence, etc. With a hint of magical realism, the spirit of the dog is the old couple's make believe determination to get past personal setback and begin a new. Thank you so much. I hope you like this chapter.